Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Luno Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I also do saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. And I share my investment journey of stocks and shares and crypto with you guys as well. So in today's video, we'll be having a look at 3 tips that you can use to save yourself a bit of money. Now, the first saving tip I want to share with you guys is about clothing. Now, my daughter is going to secondary school in September. Now, I don't know if you know, but in the UK, your secondary school clothes can be very expensive, especially if you are sort of lucky like me. We got her into a really good school. It almost looks like a private school, but it's not, which means they are very strict on their uniform and we only need to get the best for her. But as you guys know, buying new uniform can be very expensive. So I thought I would share with you guys how I am saving money on getting her uniform. So first off, you need to know what you're looking for. So it's a good idea to go to the website where you have to buy the brand new clothes and go have a look at the sizes they offer and what it is that you need and what is expected of you. And also have a look at your school's website, because sometimes you don't have to have the emblems on the t-shirts or on parts of the uniform, but sometimes it is expected. So it's a good idea to know what it is you're looking for. Then I went to Facebook to try and see who is selling uniform in the area and trying to have a look at what the quality is. Now, this is the great thing. I got a blazer with 2 ties for only £10. Which is still in a great condition. You can see there's a little bit of nicks and stuff, but it's nothing I can't fix myself with a bit of sewing knowledge. I also got 2 t-shirts for PT and some leggings for £5. 2 skirt uniforms with emblems for £10. So that means the only thing that I'm short for school now is blouses and socks and tights. So if I were to buy it off the shop, it would have cost me £115. So that gives me a nice big saving on her uniform costs. Now I think that is really great. Now just to think, this is only for the 1 year. Now if you keep doing this throughout her secondary school education, you can save that amount every single year plus minus, depending on what it is that's available in your area. Another thing I also used is having a look at my neighborhood apps, because in our area we've got a neighborhood app where everyone that's in the area is on this app, so you can post on there and have a look at what everyone is posting as well. And this is a great way to find quality uniform for your child without having to buy brand new. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm and I would appreciate your support a lot. And please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. The next tip I want to share with you guys is about insurance and road tax that you need to pay anyway. Now the one thing is, it's extortionate at how much they charge you for paying these fees on a monthly basis. And I didn't really understand why you should be paying those fees, because we are not taking out a loan, so we shouldn't be paying any interest. But unfortunately we do. So there is a way to get around this, but it is going to take a bit of saving on your part. Now, for example, my road tax has just arrived and I can pay that every single month if I like, or I can pay it off in a lump sum. Now, the difference between paying every single month and paying one lump sum is £10. Now I know this is not a lot, but if you consider if you have to pay £10 to £20 on every single thing you are paying every single month, over time this becomes a large sum of money, especially if you think you have to do that with your home insurance, your car insurance and all of those. So having a large sum of money available for these things isn't always possible. So what I would recommend is by starting small and having a savings account, especially for these yearly expenses, and putting a little bit of money in there every month. And over time, this will grow into a larger sum, because when you get to your first renewal that you're able to pay, the amount of money you should be paying monthly, you should be adding to that instead of using that for something else, so that it grows faster, so that you are easily able to pay all your yearly expenses with that lump sum. and you will see over time how much it quickly grows, and at the end of the day you will have more money than what you need for your yearly expenses. Then you can start pulling back on the money you pay into this account and start making life a little bit easier for you. So it depends on how much you can spare at the moment to build up that fund, how long it will take you. But if you are very diligent, you can quickly and easily sort this out with a year or two to be able to save you a lot of money over the long run. And the last tip today is about haggling. Now, when it comes to your renewal once a year, now to help you with that lump sum that you've saved up to keep as much of that as possible, it's a great idea to go to comparison sites to get the best deal, or if you just go to the provider that you do like and haggle on the price, and you might be able to save quite a lot of money that way. Or if you don't want to move from the service you are at, it's always a good idea to haggle with them and just pretend that you're going to leave to try and see what is the best deal they can offer you, because asking is the biggest part of this. If you don't ask, you will never get. If you don't get the deal you want, you can stay where you are if you like, or you can go with a better deal you found. But it's always a good idea to find better deals before you talk to your supplier, so that you know what price range you can get, so that you know it's a good deal or bad deal that they are trying to offer you. So this year I saved over £500 on my car insurance, where the company I used to be with wanted to charge me £1,500. The company I'm with, if I were going to pay it monthly, it would have been £650. But because I paid it off in one lump sum, I only paid £550 for our car insurance, which covers 2 motor cars. So I'm really happy with that. It's always a good idea to shop around so you know where you stand when you are haggling with your current supplier. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.